Welcome back once again to the official channel of Overseas Arena. I'm your own IELTS PT trainer Bhavna Singh, and today in this video I will be teaching you reading. So as you can see in this playlist, we are on week 1 IELTS reading. So in this video I will be telling you how to attempt MCQs and fill-ups. All right. So as you can see in reading, mostly you will be getting 40 questions, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and you will be having 1 hour to transfer your answers. So here there is a short passage in front of me of week 1 multiple choice questions, that is Indian marriages. So here they're talking about something Indian marriages. We will read the passages. We will utilize certain techniques such as skim and scan, and then accordingly we will attempt these MCQs and fill up. So I will let you know how to attempt. So first strategy is always that is to read the questions and the fill ups instead of jumping straight away on the passages, right? So there is no need to read the whole passages and waste your 10-15 minutes on that. Rather, we will just look at the questions and accordingly we will search for the answers. So as you can see, the first MCQ, in India, weddings are dash. All right. In India, weddings are dash. So four options are given to me. A duty for the man to continue his family, thought to end at death, a duty of the father, or seen as a benefit to the father. All right. So let's see which option is correct. A, B, C, D. So let's go up and read the first passages. Now read carefully along with me. Marriage is one of the oldest human institutions. That is true as Indian origin culture anywhere else. In India, marriage called Kanyadan or donating a virgin is thought of as a greatest sacrifice that a father can make, and for the groom as an obligation. So what do you mean? Obligation means duty to perpetuate. Perpetuate means continue his bloodline. Many people believe that marriage is still binding after that. So till here we'll get the answer. As you can see, they are saying it is a tradition, a sacrifice that a father makes for the husband as an obligation, means duty to continue his bloodline, means family. So this is the purpose of marriage. All right. So now let's look at the option. So according to it, which option fits well? Is it A, B, C, or D? B and C will be eliminated because they are not at all talking about death or duty of the father. C is incomplete. Duty for what? D, seen as a benefit of the father? Absolutely not. But if we look at the first option, a duty for the man to continue his family. So this is absolutely correct. So the answer for this is A. It's a duty of the man to continue his family. All right. So this is how MCQ will be attended. Now let's come to this fill-ups. You need to complete the statements in no more than 3 words. All right. Make sure you do not exceed 3 words. Either write 1 word, 2 word, or exact 3 words, but not more than that. So you should be very much strict with the word limit. Evening prior to the wedding, the wife to be is given recommendations about dash. So the wife to be is given recommendations about dash. Okay, so let's see where they're talking about the recommendations in which passages. So let's come up. Recommendations they are talking about. Okay, can you see this option? This one. All right. The night before the bride, her friends and female relatives gather together for a party called Mehendi, when they paint each other hands and feet with henna and dance and listen to the music. Her guests often give bride advice about married life. So what they are giving recommendation to the girl, to the would-be wife, they are giving recommendation advice about her married life. So you can see married life. So exact 2 words you will transfer here, married life. All right. So this is how MCQs and fill-ups needs to be attempted line by line. So make sure you use skim and scan technique. Just read the question and search for the answers instead of reading the whole passages from the beginning. So I hope this video was very beneficial for you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. And in the next playlist, I will be teaching you week 2 reading, in which I will be helping you how to do match the headings. All right. In case if you have any queries related to overseas admission, or you wish to pursue a degree, a career in some country or abroad, then please get in touch with the agents of Overseas Arena. Contact on the details given below. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you.